After-school classes help children understand what they learn in school more clearly.
They also teach them how to manage their time better and feel more confident in their studies.
These classes give kids a chance to stay active and learn new things in a fun and structured way.
Along with school subjects, they also get to explore their hobbies and skills that can help them do better in the future.
With instant feedback, mistakes are caught fast, kids build smart study habits and they don't lose confidence.
Thanks to Winquest, I initially had to convince my daughter to attend a trial class. But now she absolutely loves it. She looks forward to attending each and every session and does not want to miss even one single class. What really worked for her is the personalized attention and interactive teaching methods.
Try Winquest Online's personalized session. Book your free trial today. Winquest Online, where every child becomes their best learner.